friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany, and in today's video, we're Sunday resetting. It is time to get some things done. My house is actually pretty messy. It's actually not as bad now because we just spent the entire morning like taking boxes apart and getting all that done. Like I literally did so much stuff off camera. I took so many clothes out of my closet, 2 giant black bags of clothes that don't fit anymore or that I just don't find flattering anymore that I got rid of. That was super exciting. And it's been fun buying new things. So I've been really enjoying that. I actually shared this shirt on my Instagram the other day. This is actually from Aerie, which is like a sister company to American Eagle. And I love it. It's so warm and cozy. And I wish it came in other colors that I love. I think there's a yellow. I just don't know that that's my color. But we're gonna be cleaning today. I got a lot of stuff I gotta get cleaned up, and Danny just went to the dump, thank God, and because we had so many boxes, so we took those to the recycling at the dump, and we're just gonna get stuff done today, you guys. I hope you're here for it. We are hosting Michaela's birthday dinner later today, and then we are headed out to go do some axe throwing tonight with her and her friends for her 18th birthday. It's so very fun, so I need to just get the house clean before people get here, like really important. So glad you guys are here. That's enough chatter. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to go ahead and get started here in the living room, and I'm going to start by just wiping things down. Everything needed a good dusting. I'm going to be honest with you, I was kind of kicking myself that I hadn't turned on the camera earlier. I should have just taken you with me as we did all of the decluttering. There was so much stuff everywhere. It just seemed like it had been accumulating since we got home. We just didn't have any time to work on those things and was desperate to get them caught up. And now Sunday morning, I'm editing this video. I came out of my bedroom this morning. It was so nice to have my house put back together, and we had a blast last night at axe throwing with my daughter and her friends for her birthday. I'm gonna have some video for you at the end of this, so make sure you stay tuned. We recently got this couch from Cheetah Living. I love this couch. We picked this up in December, and I showed it in a video where we replaced the one we had before. It's so nice. It is the Sophia feather pillow sofa, I think it's called, or Sophia sectional. It's so soft and comfortable. I love it. As you can see, my kitty cat Tallulah up there, she's so old. She loves it. That's her spot. I always keep a blanket up there because it's either her or Charlie. Somebody's always laying up there. So we're just going to go ahead and clean this up. Everything does get kind of dusty. I hadn't dusted or, anything like that since we got back from Disney. So it's been over a week, probably about, almost 2 weeks, because we were gone for 10 days. So it had been a while. So just want to get everything dusted and wiped off. I picked up this new candle from Walmart. It's called Garden Rain. It smells so nice and it's really pretty. I did replace the lid. The lid is black, but I replaced it with this white one from Bath & Body Works from the previous candle that was here, and it smells so clean and so fresh. Gotta love burning a candle when you're cleaning. We're taking it old school. I'm also going to go ahead and take a minute here to clean this back window. It was full of handprints and nose prints. So we're going to go ahead and get this clean. The weather was so beautiful today. It was in the mid 50s. There was literally a point where I looked outside and my littlest had his t-shirt off. I had to say, what in the world? In his defense, him and his best friend were working on their fort, which is in the trees between our house and my neighbor's house where he lives. And they were building stairs. It is the cutest thing in the whole world. I'm going to put a picture right here for you to see it, or a little video actually. They did such a good job. They're such little wilderness dudes. I love it. So he said he didn't want to get his shirt dirty with mud. I said, then put on a different one. But it's definitely not weather for us to be shirtless yet. Unfortunately, today it's now 14 degrees and the feels like says 4. It is cold, but at least I know we're moving in the right direction. I have a lot of bushes out in the front that are covered in buds. My hydrangeas are covered in buds. My snowball viburnum are covered in buds. We are definitely moving in the right direction. And after this upcoming weekend, I don't think the sun's going to set until about 7 p.m. It's going to be absolutely wonderful. It was so beautiful with the sun coming in. Even Charlie just sat here on the rug, enjoying the sun, getting her vitamin D. It was good for everybody. It's 50-something degrees outside, and Ryan and his bestie, who lives right next door, have been outside literally since about 10 a.m. And it is now, let me check my watch, 3:30. Good for them. They're just living their best life. So happy. Look at all the snow's almost gone. I'm so happy. Probably gonna get another 1 or 2 snowstorms, but least we're moving in the right direction. We are still trying to play catch up from all of the laundry while we were traveling, and I came in here to flip it over and realized that the load was not dry yet. So I turned it back on to finish that up. I hung up Griffin's football pants and just tidied up in here a little bit. I can't even believe how behind being away for 10 days was. It really did put us super far behind. It was 2 weekends worth of, cleaning that we didn't have to do. So definitely caught up to us, but I'm happy to be moving in the right direction. We're also going to go ahead and pop over into the powder room and get this wiped down and cleaned up before people come over. We did end up actually just eating at the axe ring place. We went to Montana Nights down in Putnam, Connecticut. So much fun. If you are anywhere in the area, I would highly recommend that you check it out. It was so much fun. The manager his name is Craig, and his wife runs the kitchen, and the food was incredible. She's Canadian. She made poutine, and it's Danny's absolute favorite. And my mouth is watering literally talking about it. We got so much food. We got her Thai chili, buffalo wings. We also got a delicious margarita pizza, buffalo chicken pizza. It was all so good. Of course, my tummy is killing me today from eating all of that, but it was worth every single bite. Going to take a minute now to scrub out my sink. It was really dirty and needed a good cleaning. I also need to replace the strainer right there. As you can see, this one's from fall. It's kind of fallen apart, but it is what it is. I love to have a cute little decorative one, and I need to go back to Hobby Lobby to get a new one. I used to have one that had a little bee, and it was my favorite, so I need to see if I can find another one of those.
go ahead and clean up the rest of the kitchen. I will mention that my camera stopped recording while I was wiping down the dining room table, and for some reason you don't see me cleaning up the coffee bar. I don't know what happened to that footage. I might have not cleaned off my SIM card and just not realized it. I'm so sorry, but we're going to get the kitchen cleaned up. Hopefully you got a little bit of motivation today. I don't know what happened. I thought I filmed a lot more than I did. I think I was so stressed with the state of my home that I just couldn't really focus on like putting the camera on and moving it around and all of that stuff. I'm so sorry, but I will do better for next week's Sunday reset. We are definitely moving into spring cleaning, and I have a lot of organizing that I want to do. I am still trying to get a game plan for that. Right now, I'm just in recovery mode from our family trip, but we're moving in the direction of, I don't know why I keep saying we're moving in the right direction. I guess that's just where I'm at. I feel like we are. I feel like we're, it's coming to a place where the days are longer and I'm feeling like there's a moment for me to breathe. I also really do think this is going to be my last school year. I really do think I'm going to be able to make the transition into full-time content creation, which really is making me feel so much relief, even though it's not currently offering me any relief. I am currently working probably around 100 hours a week. It's very exhausting, but I'm really, really happy with where the channel is right now, and I got to keep it there so that I can stay there when this is my one job instead of two jobs. So I know it's around the corner. It's just hard sometimes to stay the course and not get discouraged. I have been on YouTube since 2017. I've been running this channel since 2020, and I have to be honest, working two jobs has been very difficult, especially with a family my size. We moved across the country. It's been a journey, but I am feeling really confident in where we're at. I have, taken on talent management. I have become very serious about my business as a content creator, and I feel like it's really just put me in a very primed position to make this my one and only gig, and not just my one and only gig, but significantly more profitable. It's significantly more relaxing, enjoyable. I feel so blessed to be able to do, what I love to do and create these fun videos and share them with you. It's a dream. It really is so much fun. If you're a content creator and you feel burnt out or exhausted or like you're never going to get there, just stay the course. There were so many times that I almost threw in the towel, but I'm glad my family came beside me and they knew this is what I wanted. They helped me, and I finally feel like we're getting there. So all of that is to say that even though I feel overwhelmed right now, I have lots of organizing I want to do, so many things I want to do. I just don't have the time. I know that time is around the corner. So thank you guys so much for joining me in today's Sunday reset. Make sure you stay to the end to see some fun clips of our night last night. Subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care, my friends.